Hi Chris, my name is Heidi with Taylor & Son Chevrolet up here in Sandpoint. This is the 2011 Malibu LTZ White Diamond. I'm going to go around the exterior of the vehicle and show you condition as well as the interior of the vehicle. Also, I'll point out some of the differences between the LTZ and the 1LT that you were interested in. So, as you can see, it's kind of a cloudy day, but this paint, this white diamond, is very, very pretty. It's kind of a pearly white. With LTZ, you get this chrome appearance package on the handles. This car is very nice, very good condition on the exterior as well as interior, but going around here, no scratches, no dents. Passenger side here. The hood and the front bumpers are all in very nice condition. Little fog lamps there. The windshield is in good condition, no chips or scratches or cracks throughout the windshield. Tires are in good condition. I don't know if you can see the tread on them there. And all of the wheels are in good condition. No signs of curb rash or anything like that. The interior of the vehicle is that cocoa color. The LTZ is leather, comes standard with leather. Carpet is in really nice condition, no stains, no smells. LTZ normally does come with a premium sound system as well, so this does have Bose sound. Your heated seat operation is right down here. You have two different levels, and that'll be the same on the passenger side, which is standard with LTZ as well. Center, the dash here, all good condition. No wear marks or rubs on any of the buttons. Your Bluetooth operations there. Your cruise control on this side of the steering wheel. Get inside here. This car does have 29,000 miles on it. Your OnStar operations are on the rearview mirror there, and then also this one does have a sunroof. Usually a sunroof is an option, so this one had that as an option. Go ahead and get in the back. Back seat is practically brand new. No wears or tears in any of the leather, any of the seats. Carpet is very nice. Alright Chris, that is it for the 2011 Malibu LTZ, and I'll go ahead and shoot you the video of the 2011 1LT.